today we're going to be learning about the color wheel and shades and tints. We're going to start off with shades and tints. So shades are not only the things you use to keep the sun out of your eyes, but they're also a black color. So for instance, I have an example of what a tint looks like up here. So tint is a color when you add white. Tint is white, but when you add white to it, it gets lighter and lighter. So all these are examples of tints because you're adding white and it's getting lighter and lighter. Shades, on the other hand, are opposite. They are adding black to a color like this, and they're going to keep getting more black the more of the shade that you put into it until you get something as black as the tea. Those are shades and tints. So now we're going to go on to the color wheel concept. So we have three primary colors. We have blue, yellow, and red. These colors make up every color you can imagine except for black and white, because remember, black and white is a shade and a tint. So other than the black and white that we discussed, blue, yellow, and red can make any color you want. Alright, so what we're going to practice today is some mixing of colors, or just get the basic concept of what colors mix to make what colors. So, blue, yellow, if you mix blue and yellow, you get green. If you mix blue and red, you get purple, or sometimes called violet for green. If you mix red and yellow, you get orange. And I've colored these in so you can kind of see how it works. I've labeled down here kind of the primary colors, so you know which ones are the basics and where to go from there. So we're going to practice this a little bit. So for example, if I color red and orange together, I'm going to get a red-orange color. And when you label these, you're going to put the primary color's name first. So you're not going to say orange-red because primary comes first. So you're going to say red, and you're going to label this red, orange. Because if you mix red and orange, you get red-orange. Okay, we're going to do another one here as a class. Alright, so does anyone know what blue and green mix to? Yes.
Blue green?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So we're going to color it. Nice job. Blue green. So then we're going to label it blue green. And you even said it correctly because the primary color goes first. And then you do green. Blue, green. Alright, let's do another one. What mixes, or what does green and yellow mix?
Yellow, green.
Yes, that's correct. So we color that in and we label it yellow-green. Yellow. And yellow comes first because it's the primary color, and that is what green originated from, was yellow. So, I want you to create your own color wheels as the project for this class, and I want you to label what a shade and a tint is. Just either color it or say like white is a tint, or so. I will give you the colors that you need, and you can color your color wheels. And I will let you do the last three on your own and see how you do. I think you did wrong. Yes.
Does it have to be in a certain place?
So the primary colors need to be 5 apart from each other.
But it doesn't matter if I put red in like a different spot than you did.
No.
As long as it's spaced the same.
As long as you make sure to have 3 blanks in between your primary colors. There's one more. Oh, yes.
What color is blue Tiefel?
Okay, we're not going to answer that question right now. Nice dad joke.
It's on the
I'm not a
ground.
dad.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, so as you're coloring, I'm going to kind of talk about another concept that I want you to kind of learn about as you're coloring. So, there is 2 groups of colors in this color wheel that's been created. There is warm colors and cool colors. So, warm colors and cool colors are different, and they take up about half of the color wheel. So, the colors on this side that include red all the way around to yellow-green, these are considered warm colors. And then the cool colors are on the other side of the color wheel, from red-violet clear to green. Now, students who get their color wheel done and have some time left before recess will get to play on an application that I especially have. Don't try to hurry. Everyone will get a chance to play on it. Everyone will get a chance to play. And it just kind of is more, it gives you more information on shades and tints. And they also give you more information on just what colors mix to make primary, or what primary colors mix to make other colors. Because can you believe these colors on the color wheel aren't all the colors in the world? Like, you can have as many colors as you can ever imagine. So, for instance, the colors that are right next to each other, like red, orange, and orange, can mix to make another color. And then you can use shades and tints to make them lighter and darker. And honestly, colors are pretty endless.
Is that what infinite means?
Yes, nice work. You're a very knowledgeable student. You guys have done great on this assignment. And I think you will do great on the final exam. I beat you.
Am I done, Mrs. Biddle?
Yes. Great. So, that is what we're learning today. And now that we have a little free time before recess, you can look on the application that I have for you. Which students aren't going to have their phones, so, and I don't have to show this part.
Sorry, my mom's rich.